Hey, thanks for joining. In the last episode, we mobbed on the beach in Washington, got some rigs stuck, hung out with our dear friends, and now we are headed north into the rainforest. Did you even know there was a rainforest in Washington? Well, me neither. It's gonna be sweet. Check it out.
In the rainforest, there's overgrown trees and bushes. I can't even do it. I'm in the rainforest. We made it. We're in a rally car, it's no big deal. It's like a big Dakar truck. Oh, look at the forest! Rainforest River! Oh, this poor deer is running away back to Washington rainforest. Oh, we gotta go down there. We gotta go down there. That looks promising. Alright, so it's like 9:30, almost 10. Still got some light out, but mainly dark, and we're gonna head down here. It's a little bit steep, but should be just fine. And we're gonna head down there because there's a sweet spot by the river that we just saw. So.
Actually quartz, not glass.
Wow. That's awesome.
I'm good at finding problems.
Yeah, you're really good. All right, we're coming up through the rainforest. So far, so good. See you soon.
He's very
There's a barefoot walk on. Whoa, we just stumbled across an epic log course. Look at this. We can start here, go over there, go over there. Oh yeah, log. Question is log or lava?
Log!
Will you take your first? Whoa. All right, I want a log. Oh dang. Whoa, weird. Ah, I'm sorry, camera. It's freaking beautiful. Rainforest coast, man. Oh, we gotta walk that log. Whoa. That's a big old bridge.
It's very heavy. Like we can blow an engine up and then just like whatever, start up an extra engine.
You have an extra engine mounted in that.
We have 2 extra main engines that we don't, that are, yeah. We can run on one engine and be fine. We literally blew a rod through the side of an engine and we're just like, oh, well, we'll start up number 4 and we didn't miss a trip.
Ashley's an engineer, and she actually worked on this ferry for a while, which is really cool because we went down into the engine room and met an old crew that she worked with.
Hey, look, we're right at the door. We're parked right next to the engine room door.
Cool.
After that, we mobbed back to Ashley's, where we did some renovations to the interior kitchen to allow us to cook inside when we go to Canada and Alaska. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the rest of the series. Drop a comment, let me know what you thought of this video. And the question always is, are you down to mob?